they lied to you. And if this lie is not corrected, it's going to affect your channel growth as a small YouTuber. That's why I'm making this video, to tell you the lies, show you exactly what to do so you don't follow all this misleading information and then end up not growing your YouTube channel. So I've watched a couple of videos saying you should not use short videos because short will kill your channel, it will hold you back from growing, and like, huh? Who said that? You need to understand that every feature or function YouTube has on its platform is designed to help you as a small content creator to grow your channel and make as much money as possible. So as a smart person, you should leverage each and every one of them to grow your YouTube channel. I'm not just going to talk for talking's sake. I'm going to show you my own result in the last 28 days, and I'm going to show you what YouTube has to say about it. The truth is, a lot of people telling you not to use shorts do not know how to use it. And when the use of something is not known, abuse is inevitable. Now, they are doing it the wrong way, getting wrong results, and they're advising you not to do it just because they don't know how to do it. So in this video, I'm going to show you the right way to do it. I will also tell you what they are doing wrong that you should avoid. The truth is, short is actually one of the easiest way to grow a YouTube channel. I'm going to show you my own result from the past 28 days from my dashboard. So in the last 28 days, I published 4 short videos. Let me show you what the algorithm has to say about my 4 shorts, how this short has helped my channel to grow. So the first one says, how shorts help grow your channel. You published 4 shorts and 2,200 people saw them. Your shorts attracted 1,000 new viewers. 1,000 new viewers connected with me through my short video. Imagine I didn't use short videos. That means I've lost this 1,000 opportunities of being seen and watched by those people. Look at this interesting one. It says 1,100 people returned to your channel through shorts. Now, of all the people that watched, 1,100 of them came back. They met me for the first time through my short videos, and after watching my short, they came back to my other videos. Just imagine the number you are missing already if you're not using shorts, or if you're listening to this guy saying don't use shorts in your videos because it's going to kill your channel. So it says 1,100 people returned to your channel through shorts. These people already know you. Your shorts gave them more reason to come back. Amazing, right? So the next one says shorts introduced folks to your other content. So a lot of people who watched my short videos came back to see my long videos. I mean, are you seeing that? So it says 19% watched both short and long form videos. So 19% of people that came in contact with my content for the first time through my shorts went on to watch my longer content. I mean, is that number not massive? Like I said, I'm going to show you the wrong way to grow your channel using shorts, the right way to do it, and even how to use your short video to grow your long videos. Shorts help your channel. New viewers discovered you through shorts. Shorts also brought viewers back. Some viewers watched more than just shorts. Look at these figures. So why would somebody tell you that short videos will kill your channel? You see, they're lying to you, right? Now, this is from the YouTube studio. So it says 3,700 people viewed my short videos in the last 28 days. Now, to the subscribers, how short videos got me subscribers. 23 people subscribed to my channel after watching my short videos. So you think of the numbers you've been missing out if you're not using short videos. So my short videos has been shown in the feeds 6,600 times. Now, I've not been very serious with short because I did only 4 in the last 28 days. Imagine if I decide to, go into it, make more of shorts and give it more time. Now, to the reason why they said you should not be using shorts. Like I said, they don't know how to use it, and that's why when they do it the wrong way, they get wrong results. Most of the time, people who are saying you should not use short videos because it's going to ruin your channel is because they pick random videos and upload on their channel. Say your channel is about food and cooking. You went on TikTok and saw a dance video that is going viral. So you downloaded it, you come on your YouTube channel and uploaded a short video on music and comedy that has nothing to do with your content. Remember, your content, which is food and cooking, attracts people, probably women, moms, mothers. Okay, this is your target audience. Now you went on and got a video of dance and comedy which attracts children. You upload it on your channel because the video is doing well. It's also going to do well on your channel. But what are you attracting? The wrong audience. So at the end of the day, these guys are going to go on to subscribe to your channel after watching the comedy video. Remember, you've already started messing things up because your target audience is moms, women, and now this wrong video you brought in here is bringing in children. Now, so if you do it this way, you are going to get wrong result and you will end up saying short doesn't work. So the right way to do it is to make videos, short videos that are within and around your topic, your niche. Your short videos should complement your long videos. To even make it juicer, YouTube has given us an opportunity to link short videos to the longer one. So you can actually make a short video off of a longer video and then you connect the short video to a longer one. So anyone that watches the short video clicks on the link and then gets to watch the longer video. So in summary, using short is a sweet way to grow your YouTube channel because shorts go viral easily. If you're going to do it this way, you need to make shorts that are in your own niche, shorts that complement your longer videos. You should also link those shorts to your longer videos, so it makes it super easy for people to watch longer ones after they are done watching the short ones. This way, it is super easy to get views and subscribers because short videos are being promoted by YouTube itself. So my opinion, start using shorts today if you've not, because you are missing out on a lot of opportunities to get yourself seen by your target audience, grow your channel, go viral, and get monetized. I hope this helps. Please give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in my next one.